Guys, you might have seen those awesome ASMR videos nowadays trending on Instagram and YouTube. So no one will tell you how to create them, and today we're going to do that. So let's jump into the Gemini and we'll be creating such an amazing video. Let's head towards the Gemini and just select this video here and describe the video with this prompt. I have put this prompt in the description as well. And if you don't know how to use VO3 in India for free, we have created a dedicated tutorial for that, so you can follow along with it. I'll put that link in the description as well as in the cards here in this video. So just paste this prompt and send this to the Gemini, and Gemini will create a video for you. Make sure you have selected video here. If not, then it will not create a video. So let's just wait while it is rendering the video. It will take a couple of minutes, and that time is dedicated for the subscription of the channel. So just support the channel by subscribing to the channel and hit that bell icon next to it, and let me know in the comments what exactly you want to learn in the generative AI, UI UX design, or 3D animation, or anything else. Just let me know in the comments. And now you can see our video is ready. So you can see how detailed and realistic this looks like, and it has created this awesome video. So yep, till the next video, keep watching, keep learning, keep designing, and just hit that like button below the video.